Some may think these 6 Flamingo Crossing hotels are all the same.
But after staying in every single one, they aren't. They all may share the same transportation shuttles to the parks, but believe me, inside they're not the same. Come inside to see. Watch in full video.
One had a legit full kitchen set up, and another had one of those tiny college refrigerators that barely work.
The breakfast may be about the same, but the Wi-Fi speeds definitely are not. They might look the same from the outside, but one is just the best. Inside the room, the bathroom, and the kitchen. And the other one's, well, it's just average. So what do you want? You want to stay in the best or an average room? When 2 of these are almost exactly the same price, I know exactly which one I'm going to stay in.
If you want the full breakdown on the shuttles, the room, breakfast, Wi-Fi, all of it in video,
I've got everything organized so you can compare and choose what's right for your family at dDadbudget.com. After staying in all 6, you can go and see the rankings of this area and others and choose the one that's best for you. Just remember, all amenities are not the same, and something might be really important to you that's not quite as important to me. You watch the videos. You decide. Watch, see, book. And then you can just relax. I'll show you all full video tours, rankings, hidden fees, and it'll be organized and stress-free planning. It'll help you out. It's all inside, full access, at dDadbudget.com.